Towboat Chef. This is morning. It's not even quite 3:30 yet, a.m. But I am going to show you something that Glorious Life on Wheels, Glow, does. She made something that I'm also going to make, but I'm putting my little special ingredient on it. So Glow, this is for you. But before I show you this video, I want you to see the beautiful sunset that I had last night. So, be right back.
That's right. Every time I have a shower, I have my Hero soap. Get some Hero soap.
Okay, you guys, I'm trying to have a shower. Maple, quit drinking the water. Badge, move over, will ya? I want to show my soap. Come on, get out of the way, you guys. Damn.
Saucy, the TBB, is here to rescue you both. So just move out of the way. There's room for us three in this shower. But I just wanted to say, Hero Soap, get the lavender scent. Okay, here's the ingredients. Now, you all know me, I hardly measure. So I'm just going to tell you, it has milk in it, has flour in it, has a third of a chorizo roll, a third of a ground sausage, breakfast sausage, Tennessee Pride. Now, here's three of the ingredients that I put in. Seasoned salt, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, and coarse black pepper. Now that secret ingredient will be somewhere between all this. I gotta bring it out and I will show you when I go to add it in. Alright, be right back. Okay, as you can see, I've got the sausage. First I sprayed down my pan and then I put a little bit of bacon grease in there. Yes, want that flavor. And I got the sausage going. This is all mostly cooked up. I will add the chorizo. So, be back in a few moments. Okay, as you can see, it's mostly done. It's still not quite done. I'm going to add this chorizo. Now, Glow, she drained the grease out. As you can see, I don't have a lot there. And I have to make more gravy than she did because I got more people to feed. So I'm going to use that extra grease from the chorizo instead of adding more bacon grease. Get that cooking. Already looking good already. So I'll be back in a moment. Okay, this is all done. Ready for the next one. Let me scrape some of this off the bottom a little bit. That's where the good stuff is. Now, I keep adding flour so it's all completely covered and with a little bit left over inside of it. And it soaks up all that grease. That's why I don't measure, because each time it's different. And see what I mean by a little bit left over? See this other sides? Now, then of course I add the milk. Remember, this is feeding at least 6 out of the total of 9 people on the boat here. Stir up, scrape that bottom. That's where all the good stuff is at. I know how much to put in because I know what kind of flavor I'm looking for. So a little bit of Tony's. Of course, black pepper. You can add stuff that you want. Now here's the secret ingredient, Glow. Nutmeg. Just put a couple dashes, or there's one. There's 2. Couple dashes. That's all you need. Trust me, it is good. Guys love it. Alright. You want to keep stirring. Make sure it don't stick at the bottom. Once you clean off the bottom, then let it sit for a moment. Let it get warm up. Keep stirring every now and then until it gets close to boiling. You don't want it to boil. You want it to start to boil, then take it off the heat. So I'm going to start the music, and we'll go from there. And while I'm doing that, I'm also checking on my biscuits. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to thicken up and starting to boil a little bit. This is where I take it off the heat, keep stirring, bring it over to the side, scrape that bottom, get all the good stuff off there, and the sides, to help thicken it even more. And as you can see how thick it is right now, it'll be even more thicker. Whoa, just even up the camera there. We do it from this side. There we go. But after it sits about 15 minutes, it's the perfect consistency. So be right back. Okay, I got me some. Look at this. It's on a biscuit. So let's test this out. Look at how fluffy that biscuit is too. Alright. Get hot. Oh, Glow, that is perfect. Even with my nutmeg. If nobody knows who Glow is, check out that link above. So to her channel. So she's awesome with her cooking. So she also does other things. She travels. She's a part-time nomad, and she does a lot of interviews with people. Does wonderful interviews. But go check out her channel if you haven't already. But Glow, look at this. Oh, another fluffy biscuit. Gotta get some of that gravy. worth it, people. One more bite. Perfect. It has just the right kick. Yeah. These guys are going to love it. Alright, if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. If you like this video and want to see more, click on that subscription button, click on that bell, leave a thumbs up on this video, and leave me a comment, introduce yourself. Now to all my other crew members, you know I love you, and I know you were watching all this, and I expect to hear a lot about this meal right here. Alright, you all have an awesome, awesome day.